up, guys? Today we're going to take the Bug out to my friend Tommie's house. He does most of the mechanical work on this car and all the major stuff that I can't do myself. And we're going to do a few things to get it ready for the time attack that I'm going to enter this Bug in at the end of the month. This Bug isn't set up for a time attack, but I think that's going to be what the fun part is. But today we're going to take it to Tommie's house. We're going to change out this old exhaust here, and we're going to do some brake work. We're going to change over to disc brakes and a few other things this thing needs to get it running, at least have a little bit of fun on the track with the Ferraris and Corvettes and other things that'll be smoking me around the lap. So let's hop in and go for a ride.
One hour later.
Hey guys, you wouldn't know it, but right in that garage right there, kind of unassuming in the cul-de-sac, some serious Volkswagen magic happens. Tommie's one of the best in the business, and if you're lucky enough to find him and work with him, you're in good shape. Bug made it. We're gonna do some work on it. Like I said, get the brakes done. Got to put a little camber bar in the back, keep the handling better. Some more suspension work's coming up, and a disc brake kit we'll be replacing today too. I don't know if I'm gonna show us working on it because we want to get our hands dirty and get it done quick, but I'll do a little recap at the end, and we'll get this thing ready to go. For Dan, Normal Guy Supercar's Time Attack. This happening in the beginning of June at the Driveway Raceway in Austin, Texas. Yeah, I'm gonna get beat. I'm not gonna have good times, but I'm gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm gonna take you with me.
3 days later.
All right. Well, folks, we're done at Tommie's house. Got the disc brakes put on, got the camber bar put on, which has helped tremendously, and we've got the exhaust put on. The exhaust is like the icing on the cake for this particular install. Look at that stainless steel showing from under there. Maybe you can see the camber bar installed. Maybe not. There's not much to see. But of course, there you go. That's the business right there. So why don't I fire it up, let you hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go in there and install the front sway bar and the rear camber compensator. It's going to help a lot going around those corners at the time attack, and make it just, you know, more fun to drive on the street. The exhaust came from Vintage Speed in Japan. Took them a while to hand make this thing and send it over, but it arrived, and I'm so happy with the purchase. Let's hear it. You'll see what I mean.
Day 2.
Yeah, bitches! Yeah! Dude! I told you we had a special guest. Dude! That...
German to this Italian party.
Yeah, this is good. Morning. That is awesome.
How's it going? I think this is your renter.
I think so. Dude, look at that.
It's only taking
Little LED for the blinker and the parking indicator.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, I saw you at the
Dude,
light when I was
this
driving
thing's
by.
bad as hell.
You
Damn.
don't see these very often, do you?
No, dude, this is bad as hell.
I didn't know.
This is absurd. All right, y'all. Show's kind of winding down. Ferrari gang's about to go hit up ATX Supercars brunch in Lakeway, near where, a little bit closer to where I live. So I'm going to hop in the bug here. And once again, run 100 miles an hour in the pack with the Ferraris in a car that I have no business doing it in. And we'll see you at the ranch. All right, so I'm waiting on my buddy Mark to come over to help me with the suspension pieces. It's a super easy install, but I always like working with friends. And he's gonna come over, he eat some of my fried chicken I got in the house. And we're gonna slap on the sway bar and the camber compensator. And then tomorrow starts the dinner for the influencer invasion. I'm not gonna be able to go on the run they're doing on Friday afternoon because I have to work, you know, like a normal human man. But Saturday and Sunday I'll be participating, but most importantly Saturday for the time attack. So let's slap on these last few suspension pieces, and I'm gonna set the tire pressure and we'll be ready to have some fun. Some slow fun on the track, but fun. They say it's better to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow. Wait, it's better to drive a slow car fast. Fool me twice. I just spent an entire week in a Ferrari 458 going across the country pretty fast. So my idea of fast is skewed, but that's for another set of videos. But yeah, but driving a slow car fast, I think is the most fun. I think that's what they say. I don't know. We're gonna find out because this car isn't very fast, but I'm gonna drive it that way.
Day 3.
We got a lot of work done, but not all the work we needed to do. Got the rear camber compensator put on. It went on pretty easy, but it took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take, so we lost sunlight and was not able to put the front sway bar on. I'll get around to it, but I'm still going to track this thing today and see how it does. The car's tightened up quite a bit with the rear camber bar that Tommie put on and the camber compensator. Just taking around the hills here in Austin, it's been a lot more tight, a lot more confident feeling. So I think we'll have a good day. Some of the guys have been arriving already. The General's here. The General's here. And then we've got quite a collection. Badass Evo 10 parked there. I can't wait to check that out. I miss my Evo a lot. But we're gonna wait on Dan to roll up. Then we're gonna hit the road and go to the track. So I have a feeling that the run to the track is going to be a lot of fun.